talking about how to succeed in law school. And we define success as getting high grades in law school, especially your first year. And why? Because high grades open up the most opportunities to you. If you do well your first year of law school, you're going to maximize your employment opportunities, your clerkship opportunities, your internship opportunities, and your opportunities in law school, like, for example, being on law review. So if you want to succeed in law school, the most important thing is to focus on your law school final exams. And the reason for this is because in the vast majority of your law school classes, your entire grade will be determined by that final exam. So you want to keep your eye on the prize, which is that final exam, all throughout the semester. There are some exceptions, like some classes might have a midterm and a final exam, although they're not that common. The most common exception is a legal writing and research class, which will often require you to write a paper or sometimes 2 papers instead of taking a final exam. But for your other classes, your entire grade will likely be based on your final exam. So if you want to succeed in law school, you have to focus on that final exam from the very beginning. So that's principle number 1.